Hello there folks, and how is it going, and welcome back to another video. I am in Dublin Airport, about to embark on a journey that has been many moons in the making. I am on the way to Japan, of all places, to lead another workshop. We are back to back in it. So I didn't get a chance to film it in here in Dublin, which is okay. But yes, this is going to be an exciting one. I have actually decided to do this a little differently. I am going to do this in daily vlogs, just because why not? So I figure you might as well come along for the journey and experience what it's like to, be on a workshop and participate in a workshop. I figure that could be a nice little insight into the world of a workshop leader and also a participant. So we have a wonderful itinerary ahead of us, and yeah, about ready to board now, and looking forward to it is like the understatement of the year. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. So let's get on the plane. I'm going to Abu Dhabi first, have a small layover, and then on to Tokyo, and have a couple of nights in Tokyo, and then we rent a van, and then we're going to be driving. So it's going to be a good time. So let's get on the plane first and get on the way. Well, we made it. We are in Tokyo. It was a journey, folks. It was a long journey, but well worth it. So just arrived, just checked in here to the hotel. Let me show you the view here from the window. It's not nothing crazy view, but it's a different skyline altogether. Fun times. So we're right in the middle of the Shinjuku area. Is essentially where this hotel is. And I'm tired, so there's a good time difference now. So I think the jet lag is probably going to hit me a bit, but I have to push through. Now, right now it is 20 to 4, but as far as my body's concerned, it's like, 6 in the morning. So I'm going to push through. I'm going to have a quick shower, and then I'm just going to get out. Because if I stay in the room, I'm probably going to fall asleep. I need to check the toilet to see if it's got like, the bidet and all the happy music. Is it? No, it's just a normal toilet. Anyway, but I am very excited. Now I put Annie downstairs. She was checking in at the same time as well. A girl here on the tour, and yeah, so awesome fun, awesome fun. I'm hungry also as well, so I need to go and eat something. But I say I'm going to jump in, have a quick shower, and then we shall take some photographs. Tip about traveling is the seat. If you're ever on the window seat or on the aisle seat, there's a little catch underneath the arm on the aisle seat. It actually lifted up. So there you go. I was surprising a bunch of people with that earlier today on the plane. Anyway, it's random. I'm delirious. Gonna shower, gonna head out and enjoy the madness. I got lost, which was great. I had hoped I would gonna get lost getting here, which I did. I got on the wrong train and I was going the wrong way altogether, which was great fun. It's also bananasly beautiful. So yeah, it's fun times. But anyways, let's get out and take a few pictures. Gonna just amble around, just gonna bring, I have a little kind of like a bun bag, like a sling bag with me. I'm just gonna pop on the mid-range zoom. I'm just gonna go out, take some photos, and enjoy the streets of Tokyo. Let's head out and have a look. So we are entering into a place that's affectionately known as Piss Alley or Memory Lane. I don't know why it's called Piss Alley or Memory Lane, but it's beautiful. Look. So it's just this little alleyway that's got loads of little restaurants, yakitori restaurants and ramen restaurants. So that's pretty much why I'm here, and it's proven to be some wonderful photographic opportunities as well. But it's rammed full of lovely places and so beautiful and very quaint, and yeah, I really like it. So let's explore and see what we can see, take some photos. Well, this place is like sensory overload in an extremely wonderful way. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'm at one of these like dating bars. You get to hang out with chicks all day. Sorry, Orla. This street is mental. So this is like one of the big main kind of, you know, it's technically a tourist trap, I suppose, when you think about it. But I decided to come out for a walk, and it's proven to be great. Really enjoying the kind of street photography that we're doing at this end of things, and yeah, it's really nice. So I'm going to pop up a few pictures that I've been taking about the place, and if any of them turn out to be any good, then let's have a look. I'm no street photographer, but I think this place kind of takes themselves really, so let's have a look. So folks, that hit me like a ton of bricks. I am fading fast, and so I decided to come back to the hotel and catch some sleep. So I'm gonna call it a quits to episode 1 of this daily vlog experiment here in Japan. But what a wonderful day. As long as it was such a it's such a wonderfully confusing place as like a Westerner, if that makes sense. It's so great, like. And actually I wanted to close off this first video with how wonderful Japan is and what it really means to me. About 24 years ago, I think 24, I came here chasing a girl, as one does. And although I didn't leave with the girl, what I did leave with though, and I'm gonna see if I can find the photograph that I took, because there was one photograph that I took while I was here, and it's the most random kind of obscure, just nonchalant picture. But what that picture did was spark in me this like want for knowledge and want for more of what it was that image kind of burned in me. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I'll pop it up. I don't know, it's probably buried somewhere in the archives. So when I left, it was one of the more kind of like, pivotal moments in my life where I thought, I think I want to make photography like my kind of job, if something like that is possible, and how wonderfully kind of full circle we have come, that I have come back to Japan working as a photographer. So I think that's just really, really cool. So anyways, that's my little Japan story and my photography story. So it really does mean a hell of a lot for me to be here. So, anyways, I am so tired. Oh my god. So I'm going to call it quits here anyway for this first episode, and I will see you all in the morning. We've got something nice planned. I hope I wake up on time. We'll see. So I'll see you all tomorrow.